Courtney did color correction where we had the wear.
Remember the wear areas?
You're a wizard.
You are. This is an
You're an
amazing
artiste.
service.
I like the word artiste.
You are.
Yes, I'm very, very.
I just found you online.
You just found me? Yeah, that's what a lot of people found me.
I didn't even know what words to use. Hi.
Yep.
Didn't even know what words to use, but I found you.
Well, thank you, and I greatly appreciate you. And that's why I put myself out there so people can see what I do. And I sent you that video.
Video is super helpful.
Yes, ma'am. All right, awesome. Well, Tavares, get the trim pad. We're gonna do another coat. And then, like I said, we'll take off, and then we'll be back, and then we'll do the UV cure.
It looks amazing.
Wow.
And look at your husband looking around. I know, no dust.
I know.
Yeah, no,
I know.
Yeah, guys, what's going on? Happy Wednesday. All right, today is February the 19th. Man, we're almost out of February. So anyway, guys, we're out here in Alpharetta, Georgia. New client, Mrs. and Mr. Saunders. Miss Saunders reached out to me last week. I never came out and did an in-home consultation. They booked this appointment based off pictures and also verbal information and also square footage. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, is a kitchen. They actually saw one of the videos I did just like their home. So I like to use certain videos to give my clients an idea of what I'll be doing on their floors. Actually, I had a guy call me just a while ago from Greenville, South Carolina. He wants me to come do his engineered floors with UV Cure. So anyway, it is raining today, and what we're going to be doing is a kitchen area. I do have a minimum charge of my services of $750, but also with the UV Cure, they added that. So let me show you guys what I'm going to be doing here in Alpharetta, Georgia. And actually after this, one of my repeat clients who I have done her personal home and also one of her rental properties, we're going to look at one of her other homes that she wants to get the wood floors done, which is also in Alpharetta. And then we have a consultation in Beaufort and another consultation in Cummings. So we have 3 in-home consultations. So after we get the rag coat down here, and they're going with a matte finish, we're going to go off, do the consultation in Alpharetta, come back, do the UV Cure, and then go do the other consultations on the way in. So anyway, guys, what we're going to be doing, Tavares is taping off the boards. And I actually did one like this in Marietta, which I kind of use as a demonstration to my client when she called me. And what we're going to be doing is just the kitchen, and we're going to be doing a screen and recoat with the rag coat matte finish. They're going with the matte finish, and you can just see, guys, the kitchen is just basically has taken some wear and it needs some good protection on it. So they are doing the screen and recoat with the UV Cure, yeah, that's what we're going to do today. So we're going to go ahead and get set up, get this floor screen down really good, and I'll come back and show you some results. All right, guys, we got the floor screened really well. I was just talking to my client. He actually showed me upstairs. He has some pre-finished solid wood floors, and he wants to have those sanded. But I don't sand floors, so I recommend my clients to some of my network partners. So anyway, guys, we're going to go ahead and get the rag coat down right here. I put some of that aluminum oxide additive in it. Get that floor more durability. And rag coat is a superior finish just by itself. But like I said, when you add that aluminum oxide additive, and usually I do it for high traffic areas like this, or clients who have dogs, and it's free or no charge. All right, guys, go ahead and get this coating down. Stay tuned. All right, guys, floors look amazing. Got the rag coat. I'm gonna do another coat on this floor because some of these boards are really worn, so I can see a little, areas where it needs some more finish. So I'm gonna put another coat of rag coat on this floor, and we're gonna go grab some lunch. Had a few good consultations come in, but guys, this floor looks amazing, and you can really see that the rest of the house eventually is going to need it if they choose to. So my client is Sanders. I just called her to come take a look, and you can just see over here where those worn areas came out really, really good. So, but yeah, man, floor looks really good. This is a matte finish, rag coat matte, which I just placed another order this morning. All right. Look at that, Miss Saunders.
It looks amazing.
Thank you. Remember all those areas that was worn right there? I did some color correction over the chairs. Those are pictures you sent me over there.
Yes.
So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do another coat, just do another coat on the floor. Okay. And we're going to go off and have some lunch. Then come back in about 2 hours. We'll be doing a UV cure.
Okay.
Check it out, Mr. Saunders.
Okay, and I partly did color correction where we had the wear.
Remember the wear areas?
You're a wizard.
You are. This is an
You're an
amazing
artiste.
service.
I like that word, artiste. Yes, I'm very, very.
I just found you online.
Just found, yeah, that's what a lot of people found me.
I didn't even know what words to use. Hi,
Yep.
Didn't even know what words to use, but I found you.
Well, thank you, and I greatly appreciate you. And that's why I put myself out there so people can see what I do. And I sent you that video.
Video super helpful.
Yes, ma'am. All right, awesome. Well, as far as get the trim pad, we're gonna do another coat, and then we'll take off, and then we'll be back, and then we'll do the UV cure.
It looks amazing.
Wow.
And look at your husband looking around. No dust.
I know.
Yeah, no,
I know.
Yeah.
I really appreciate craftsmanship.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
That is
It's
really
fantastic. I know.
Now it's time to move.
Well, no, see, you just couldn't imagine just taking on
The whole, but you know what I did notice though? If you wanted to in the future,
Yeah.
you could probably do yours in sections because that
Okay.
wood turns the opposite way.
Yes.
So another, if you want to do the living room,
Okay.
because you'll see when you stand over here and look over there, you can see the wear over there now. So you could probably do yours in sections.
This would
Because that
be
wood goes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Yep.
And in front of your chair, there's somewhere.
Yep.
So.
Okay.
All right.
We won't lose your number.
All right. And you can always find me. I tell people the easy way to find me, Truman. Remember Harry Truman?
Oh, yeah.
I didn't even know we had a president named Harry Truman. So people ask me, did you name it after Harry? I'm like,
Truman Show.
yeah, the Truman Show. There you go. Let's put in Truman Hardwood, and that's me, the one and only. Don't see a difference, do you? Not that much.
Not much.
Yep.
Not that anybody would ever notice.
Notice, yes, ma'am.
It's like if the light catches it the right way.
Yep. All right, guys. Second coat is looking good. You can see we're walking on it. This floor came out magnificent. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and get the UV fired up. This small space will probably only take me maybe 5-8 minutes. You guys see in my videos, I always try to keep between the 20s and the 30s. And then just confirm my next 2 consultations for this afternoon, which one is in Beaufort and the other one is in Decula. So you see the green light is on, and here we go. So this is the instant cure, and what this does, as you guys who do follow me, when this machine goes over this rag coat, it's instantly cure. There's no waiting 2 to 3 days. With my Aqua Pro 2 components, 2 to 3 days for a full cure. Usually within about 24 hours, depending on the the temperature in the home. It could be anywhere from 60 to maybe 75% cure. One components, which I do not use one components, they can take up to 7 to 10 days, and oil base can take up to 30 days, if not more. So this is the coolest benefit for the rag coat. As you can see, my client can get all their furniture back in the home. I mean, not back in the home, but back in the kitchen as soon as this light hits the finish. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Another happy client. I confirmed my job for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a wax removal on an engineered floor in Dallas, Georgia. And then we have 2 consultations tomorrow. One in Roswell, one in Buckhead. So that's what we have tomorrow. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.